Today we're going to put some of these headlights into this Prius 2013. See what the lights look like right now. See how bright they are. See how bright they are. That's kind of how bright they are. Let's get them in. All right. Monster. So this is what they look like. So one, just plug in like regular. They got this little blah yada, and the bulb itself. It's got like LED. It's got a little fan on the back to keep it cool. They just go right in, just like where the stock ones go, without any real big issues, supposedly. So, so it's this guy right there. Is where they go. Just have to unscrew it, pop it out, and then plug in the new one. So you don't get to see me do it because it's gonna be too much of a pain in the butt. But that's where it's gonna go, in the corner there. There goes. Okay, so that took like a minute. So you can see it there well or not. Where's the camera at? Anyway, so there it is, plugged in, spun. It's plugged in. You can see the wires down there. It just plugs into the existing wire, and that thing hanging there. Just let it hang. And this has got the yada yadas. Anyway, let's go turn the headlight on right now to see what happens. That's not fair. I can't see that stupid thing. Where's it at? Can you tell the difference? Whoa, mama. That one's way brighter on the driver's side compared to the passenger side. All right. So can you hear it? Let me put this light back on. Little fan rolling in there. Spin. One on. Okay, this is the passenger side. I can't even see. Can you even see? I can't see. Can you see it in there? Yeah, there it is. You can see it. That's right. You can't see it. There it is. Right over there. There it is. Same thing, just gotta unscrew it, unplug it, bring it up with the new one in. Yeah. Anyway, it's not difficult, it's just a pain in the butt. Okay, so they're both in. Honestly, it took maybe 5 minutes to do them both. So that's how bright they are now. I think that's a lot better. Totally bright, like a Taiga. Anyway, so that was a quick one. But the good news is that the wife just informed me that it looks like the hot water heater's working. So, yay, next job.